Would you risk your life to help someone, only to be left with nothing? This is the fable of the wolf and the crane. One day, a hungry wolf gobbled up his meal so fast that a sharp bone got stuck in his throat. He coughed and whimpered in agony, unable to swallow or cough it out. A crane happened to stroll by. The wolf pleaded, "Please, you're my only hope. Your long beak can reach the bone. Save me, and I'll reward you handsomely." The crane hesitated but agreed. Carefully, it inserted its long beak into the wolf's throat and extracted the bone. The wolf sighed with relief, finally free from his misery. "Now," said the crane, "where's the reward you promised?" The wolf sneered, "Reward? You already got it. You put your head in a wolf's mouth, ... and lived. Isn't that enough?" The crane, angry but powerless, flew away. And so the wolf remained selfish and ungrateful. The lesson? Never expect gratitude from the ungrateful.